This month, my brothers and sisters, we honor Mary, our mother, under the beautiful title of Our Lady of Grace. To me, Mary has always been my refuge in times of joy and in times of pain. She is always there, gently guiding me back to Jesus. The angel said to her, "Rejoice, full of grace, the Lord is with you." My brothers and sisters, God chose Mary not for her wealth or power, but because of her faith, her courage, and in her heart. I see the same grace in the women of Sierra Leone, mothers, sisters, daughters, who often carry heavy burdens in silence. In a society where our men are placed above women, you remain the backbone of families and the light of communities. My brothers and sisters, like Mary at the foot of the cross, you remain strong through sorrow. Like Mary at Cana, you lift others even when your own needs are hidden. So my brothers and sisters, do not forget, you are the daughters of God. You are the second to anyone. Like Mary, you are full of grace and God walks with you.